already got a showering this afternoon. Storm Tracker 13 Chief Meteorologist Mary Matthews has a check on things this afternoon and what we can look forward to this weekend. Mary.
Yeah, it's going to be much the same this weekend with a lot of cloud cover into the afternoon and more of those scattered showers and thunderstorms in the region. We've got a few heavier downpours right now south and east of Highway 24. Most of these storms will stay sub-severe for this evening, but we can't rule out one or two more robust thunderstorms. But notice here certainly some heavy downpours, possibility of maybe some pockets of small pea-size hail or really closer to extremely small graupel in the area. But all in all, just some a really nice healthy thunderstorm, to be perfectly honest with you, looking across Highway 94. As we venture our foot across parts of the Powers corridor, we got a few light rain showers still moving towards that area, up into parts of Black Forest and areas into the Air Force Academy, seeing a few light sparse sprinkles in the area. Notice Fountain seeing some light to moderate showers. This little thunderstorm here is venturing off towards the north and east, so the heaviest of rain may clip the east side of Fountain around Lorison Ranch, but that is going to be about it. The southwestern part of the county seeing a few light rain showers as well. As you shift your focus and broaden the horizon here, you'll notice we've got a few thunderstorms moving across parts of Highway 50. Very isolated. Notice a couple lightning strikes here showing up, but everything is sub-severe at the moment across parts of Levita, Huerfano County. A few storms as you venture your focus back towards the San Cristos and parts of the northern areas of the San Luis Valley. Let's go ahead and take you back to Monument. You'll notice the cloud cover there. We've had a few light rain showers in the region. Key message for this weekend. Monsoon flow is in full swing, and what is helping to tap into some of that flow is some tropical moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and that will continue to enhance our rainfall totals just a bit as we move through the weekend, making it feel a little bit more like a washout for some of those locations. This is Tropical Storm Hannah, is expected to probably approach Category 1 hurricane status for a hot minute, and that's about it. But how is that going to impact our weather here closer to Colorado? High pressure centered over the central U.S. That clockwise flow will continue to tap into some of that moisture and sending it across the state as we move through the afternoon, both Saturday and part of the day on Sunday. Sunday, we've got another little trough that's going to be dropping into the region, and that will also help to enhance our storm coverage for Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. Now, the track of this system is going to continue towards the Mexican plateau and the southwestern part of the country, but some of that moisture will kind of get pulled into parts of the desert southwest in the coming days. Saturday afternoon highs are still going to be warm into the middle to upper 90s across the Arkansas River Valley, 90 degrees in Colorado Springs and 84 there for Walsenburg. Notice the south to north orientation with storms for the first half of the day will mainly stay confined west of I-25. So if you have any plans to be camping this weekend, probably going to be a little bit of a doozy, maybe a little bit of a gully washer for some of those locations. So please be mindful of that. Notice how we've had these thunderstorms really fire up across I-25 between 1 and 2 o'clock and then moving off towards the north and east. Now, it's going to come in several waves tomorrow. So just because one storm moves in and moves out doesn't mean the activity is over. We've got another little wave behind it that's going to move through between 4 and 6 p.m. across Taylor County and northern El Paso County. The storms will mostly stay sub-severe for the entire weekend. But that doesn't mean that we won't have some flash flooding concerns and some urban flash flooding, especially west of I-25 into parts of the high country. Here we go through Sunday. We wake up with shower activity across the high country. A front dropping into the state is going to really enhance coverage of storms on Sunday as well and give us more clouds and sunshine, and certainly leading to mostly a rain event for us Sunday afternoon through Sunday evening, and then a brief little dry period for Sunday evening for Colorado Springs before more activity is likely for parts of Pueblo County and Fremont County into Sunday night. So rain cooled air on Sunday. I don't think we'll make it up into the 80s, but if we have a little sunshine for the first half of the day, it is likely to top out in the 80s, but I think it'll feel a lot cooler by Sunday. So here's the weekend skinny. More clouds and sun, widespread afternoon storms. Flash flooding risk is really our only threat this weekend, and I think that's going to mainly stay across the high country. That doesn't rule out some urban flash flooding, though, for some of the cities of Pueblo County and parts of El Paso County. Pueblo, we go from the 90s over the weekend down into the 80s for the start of next week. Canyon City from the 90s over the weekend and then feeling much cooler by Sunday. Daily thunderstorm chances continuing into early next week. So great for your lawn, but not for outdoor plans.
You have a big tent you can enjoy your time in if you do go camping.
Give your sprinklers a little rest maybe this week.
Finally,
that'll be nice.
Right.
Now for a look at what's ahead on World News Tonight.